Yeah, friends, we are going to see one more problem on what we call I section. So here the question, find the center of the given section, and the section is I section, but it's a flanged section. It means extra flange is given at the bottom. Actually the section contains of 100 into 120 into 10 mm, but still they are providing one more plate at the bottom, that is 120 into 10 mm. So what we have to do in the sense, we have to find out that too. It means that came into consideration. Now what I have to do in the sense, again I have to go for the same formulas. I have to find out a1, a2, a3, a4. Here this will become a1, a2, a3, a4. It means whenever the plate is increased, my area is also increasing. So let's solve this problem. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Let's A1 is equal to, I'm writing here, A1 is equal to 120 into 10 mm. So this is 1200 mm square. And A2 means obviously it is a symmetrical, it is also 100, so this will be 100 into, in this 120, this is 100 and remaining will be 10 and 10, right? So like that we have to calculate. So here A2 is 100 into 10 mm, so this is 1000 mm square. And A3 is equal to same 100 into 10, 100 into 10, so this is also 1000 mm square. And A4 is also, A4 is equal to 1000 into 10, that is, sorry, it is 100 into 10, this is 1000 mm square. So I got all the A values, that is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now we have to find out capital A. What is capital A? We know it very well. Capital A is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. That we have to do. Therefore, capital A equal to 1200 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. This is 3000, 4200 is my capital A. So this is my total area. Now what I have to do in the sense, I have to find out x1, x2, x3, x4. But let me tell you, it's a symmetrical section. It's a symmetrical section, so obviously you will get 120 by 2, 120 by 2, 120 by 2, 120 by 2, so that will be 60 mm. So if you calculate with the x bar also, you will get x bar equal to 120 by 2, which is equal to 60 mm. So x bar is done directly. X bar is done directly because it's a symmetrical section. If I cut this section in the horizontal direction, this is unsymmetrical. When I cut that into vertical direction, that is symmetrical section. So that's why x bar I got as 60. But what about y bar? Y bar is unsymmetrical section. So again, what I have to do in the sense, I have to calculate all the y1, y2 values. Here y1 is equal to, let me write the y1. What is y1 here? 10. This is 10, so half of it, so 10 by 2. So 10 by 2, this is equal to 5 mm. Similarly, y2 is equal to 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 plus, the figure starts from here na, so 10. So this is 15 mm. And what about y3? y3 equal to 100 by 2 plus 10 plus 10. So 100 by 2 plus 10 plus 10. So 100 by 2 is 50, 50, 60, 70 mm. And y4 is equal to, so this is 10 now, again 10 by 2 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 by 2 plus 100, 110, 120. 120, so this is equal to 125 mm. So now I got y1, y2, y3 and y4 values. Now I need to calculate y bar. What is y bar here? Y bar is nothing but a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 plus a4 y4 by capital A. So this is my y bar formula. A1y1 plus A2y2 plus A3y3 plus A4y4 divided by capital A. Now let us substitute the values. What is A1 value? It is 1200. It is 1200 into y1 value is 5. Okay. Plus A2 value is it is 1000 into y2 value is 15 plus A3 value is also 1000 into 70 plus A4 value is 1000 again into 125. So this is my entire A1y1, A2y2, A3y3, A4y4. So like this I have to calculate and divided by numerator how what you got in the sense A equal to 42,000 mm square, 42,000 mm square in the sense that is my whole area. A1, A2, A3, A4 area is nothing but 42,000 mm square. From that I have to I'm calculating 42,000 mm square. 42,000 mm square, 4,200. Because 1000, 3000, 4200. Sorry, it is 4200. 4200. You can do in your calculators also. This is 51.4 mm. This is y bar. So the value will be like this. So this is my x bar, this is my y bar. If I calculate the x bar also by using the same formula, but still I'll get 60 only because it is a symmetrical section. So when it is a symmetrical section, definitely x bar you will get as 60 only, as we discussed earlier cases, right? Now this is the way you have to do the problems for I section, flanged section. That may be, now I have taken a single flange plate, that may be double plated also. So depending upon the number of plates, your formula is going to be increased, but the procedure will be same. Okay, you have to calculate A1, you have to calculate x1, you can calculate y1, and then x bar, then y bar formulas. Because by this you will get the centroidal distances. And let me mark here the centroidal distance in this. So x bar equal to 120 by 2 in the sense 60. 60 in the sense obviously it will fall in the center. Then y bar in the sense 51.4. 51 means 10, 20, somewhere over here. Let me check here. Yes, from this height it is 51.4 mm. So here the centroid of the figure is going to be act. I hope you understand, and now we'll go for one more different case, right? Thank you. Now let us see one more section. Find the centroid of a given channel section or C section. In your question paper, that may be C section or channel section. The section is given like this. In this previous also we have seen T section, L section, I section, and flanged I section, and now we are going to see channel section, right? So in this channel section is given a channel section like this of 100 into 10 mm and 100 into 10 and 100 into 10, and I have divided again this section into 3 equal halves. It means into 3 parts. I have written like this, and one more dotted line over here. It means this complete section is 1 and this section is 1 and remaining section is 1 more. So like this I have done. Now again the same way I have to calculate A1, A2, A3, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. But in this particular case, this is a non-symmetrical section. When I cut the section into vertical direction or when I cut the sections into horizontal directions, these are not symmetrical sections. So that's why I have to calculate entire x1, x bar and y bar. So let us see how to calculate it. So first of all, again I am doing A1 100 into 10. So this is 1000 mm square. A2 only particularly this portion it is 100 into 10, so this is 1000 mm square, and the A3 is again same 100 into 10, so this is 1000 mm square. Now the capital A will be A1 plus A2 plus A3, so that is 3000 mm square. So I got the area, I got area, capital area, total area. Now I have to calculate x1, x2, x3. So let x1 is equal to, what is x1? When you want x, you have to cut the figure in y direction. X1 in the sense figure number 1. It means for particular figure number 1 I want x. So when I want x, I want to cut that in y direction. So this is obviously 100. So 100 by 2. So that is 50. This is 50 mm. Similarly, x2. What is x2? X2 in the sense again only figure number 2 I have to take, and I have to cut in the vertical direction. I should not take this. I should not take this. I am cutting this in this direction. So this is 10. So that obviously 10 by 2. This is 5 mm. And similarly I have to cut figure number 3 in this direction. So this is 100 again. X3 is equal to again 100 by 2. This is 50 mm. So if I want x, I want to cut the figure in y direction. If I want y, I have to cut the figure in x direction. So let us see. I want y1 for example. When I want y1 in the sense y is nothing but depth, 1 is nothing but figure number 1. It means I have to cut this in horizontal direction. So that is 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 is nothing but 5 mm. Similarly, y2 you have to calculate. Y2 is nothing but again you have to cut this in the horizontal direction. So this is only figure 2. It is 100. The height is 100. So that is 100 by 2. But my figure starts with this base. So plus 10 I have to add. So this is 60 mm. Similarly, y3 in the sense again you have to cut this in this direction. So that is 10 by 2 plus 100 plus 10, 110, 15, 115 mm. So like this you will get x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Now the thing is that you have to substitute this x1, x2, x3 as well as y1, y2, y3 in particular formulas. So now what is x bar here? Same capital you have taken, yes, a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by capital A. What is A here? 1000 into y1 is, sorry, if it is y bar, this is y directions, y bar in the sense I am calculating y bar, 1000, A in the sense 1000, y1 in the sense 5 mm plus A2 is 1000 into y2 is 60 plus A3 is 1000 into y4 is 115 divided by 3000. So I'll get y bar. When I calculate the y bar and substituting all 100 into 5, 1000 into 5 plus 1000 into 60 plus 1000 into 150 by 3000. So I'll get a value of y bar. My y bar value will be 60 mm. So if you do that in calc, you will get as 60 mm. So this is my y bar, 60 mm. Similarly, I have to calculate, what I mean to calculate is x bar. So same, x bar equal to, so a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 divided by capital A. Capital A I have to calculate. So again, capital A is same. Again, the value of A is again 1000 into x1. What is x1 here? 50 plus a2 is again 1000 into 5 plus 1000 into 50 divided by capital A. Capital A is whole area 3000. So again I have to calculate this in the your calculator. The value of x bar will be 1000 into 50 plus 1000 into 5 plus 1000 into 50 divided by 3000 will be 35 mm. So like this you have to calculate x bars as well as y bars. It is a channel section, right? And we have seen all the sections. I have explained you T section, L section, I section and the channel section, and you will be having one more section, we'll call it as Z section. Z section also we will try to solve. How to draw, how to solve I'll tell you in the next class. So this is for the channel section. In the question he may be give you as channel section or this, and in the most of the questions actually what he do in the sense, he don't give this diagram directly, he will give in the format of this. So if this question want to give in vocabulary, what he will do in the sense, 100 into, for example I don't want to give that, so 100 into 120 into 10 mm. This will be the question. Find the centroid of a channel section whose dimensions are 100 into 120 into 10 mm. 100 will be always your width. Remember, 100 will be always your width, and 120 is your overall depth. Overall depth in the sense from the top to the bottom. Total. This is 120, not this. And 10 inch thickness of all the three, which is given as 10 mm, and from this I have to divide. So this is 120, no, from this 10 is this section, no, so that I have divided, remaining will be 100. So again this will be the question like this. In this format they are going to ask you the questions. I hope you understand. Next we'll go for Z sections. Thank you.